Hey, I want to talk to you today about this Reef Repair sunscreen. Now, I'm going on a cruise, so I'm going to be out in the ocean, and the ship pool is filled with salt water, so that puts back into the ocean. It's a little bit different type of sunscreen if you're just going to a swimming pool or say in your backyard or something like that. This Reef Repair is sunscreen that is ocean and reef and coral and ocean animal safe. It is certified. Very few type of sunscreen that are certified to be ocean safe. And let's face it, there's so many things in the ocean already that are killing our wildlife in the ocean. Why add to it? I think this makes a very conscious decision to use something that isn't going to affect the wildlife in the ocean. Now, you may say to yourself, I'm only one person, but you take that by multiple of millions of people that go on cruises, not to mention just swim in the ocean. I think we really ought to do our little part to help save the wildlife in our oceans, so we can pass that down to other generations. It's in a set of 2, and each one of these is 1.7 ounces, and this is an SPF of 30. So this should do me well for my cruise vacation, and my part in preserving the ocean habitat. And that's just my honest opinion.